Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the touch keyboard theme in Windows 11. So if you guys are using the touch keyboard on your computer or laptop, you can change its theme and I'm gonna show you how. So first go to the start menu at the bottom and then choose settings. Okay, so in here at the left panel, click on personalization and then you'll find the touch keyboard. This one's right here. Just click on that. And then here are the keyboard theme that you can use. I think it's pretty cute and you can there are so many options that you can use. I'm going to go with the Lyrac River right here, and then you can also adjust the key text size, the small, medium, or large. And if you want to view your changes, you can open your keyboard in here. Okay, so this is the result, and I'm going to see other theme, for example this Indigo Breeze. Okay, I think I'll the previous one better. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can change the background of the touch keyboard in Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye!